The Lenovo Xiaoxin Pad 2024 is a budget-friendly tablet with decent specs, making it suitable for everyday use, including media consumption, browsing, and light productivity tasks. Here's a breakdown of its key features based on the description provided. Processor: Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 octa-core, which is a mid-range chipset, offering a balance between performance and power efficiency. It should handle most apps smoothly, but it might struggle with more demanding tasks like high-end gaming or heavy multitasking. Memory and storage: 8 GB RAM, ample for smooth multitasking, allowing you to run several apps simultaneously without much lag. 128 GB storage, sufficient for storing a good number of apps, photos, videos, and documents. This storage should meet the needs of most users, although it might fill up quickly if you store a lot of media files. Display: 11-inch screen, a good size for media consumption, reading, and productivity tasks. It offers a large enough screen for comfortable viewing without being too bulky. Camera: 8MP camera, likely refers to a rear camera. This is modest in terms of camera quality, suitable for basic photography needs, but not comparable to higher-end smartphones or tablets. There might also be a front camera, though it's not mentioned, typically used for video calls. Battery: 7040 mAh, a sizable battery capacity that should offer good battery life, potentially lasting a full day of moderate usage. 20W charger. This indicates relatively fast charging, meaning the tablet should recharge fairly quickly. Wi-Fi: supports standard Wi-Fi connectivity, but specific details like Wi-Fi 6 support are not mentioned, so it's likely it supports basic Wi-Fi standards. Global ROM indicates that this version of the tablet has software tailored for international users, likely including Google services and multilingual support, making it user-friendly for a global audience. Overall, the Lenovo Xiaoxin Pad 2024 appears to be a solid choice for users looking for an affordable, yet capable tablet for general use. It's not a powerhouse but should perform well for most day-to-day tasks.